The 10 strangest and least known animals. In this video, we will explore a world of incredible and surprising creatures. The 10 most extraordinary and mysterious animals that you probably have never heard of. From species with astonishing adaptations to creatures that defy all logic, get ready to immerse yourself in a universe of biological oddities that will leave you amazed. Number 10. Yeti crab. The Yeti crab, a mysterious inhabitant of the deep sea, is a creature that piques the curiosity and wonder of those who delve into the oceans. Its name evokes images of the legendary Himalayan creature, and although it's not a monster, its appearance and adaptations are equally fascinating. This crustacean, scientifically known as Kiwa hirsuta, was first discovered in the deep waters of the Pacific Ocean in 2005. Its astonishing appearance sets it apart from other crabs. Its body is covered with thick hair that gives it a hairy yeti-like appearance, hence its name. This white hair, which covers its shell and legs, is a home to symbiotic bacteria, believed to aid the crab in feeding, making it a unique species. Its natural habitat is one of the most inhospitable places on Earth. The hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor, where temperatures are extreme and the pressure is high. In these depths, the Yeti crab has evolved to survive in a hostile environment, adapting to conditions that push the limits of life. Number 9. Quokka. The quokka, an adorable marsupial inhabiting the islands of Western Australia, is one of the most peculiar and charming creatures in the animal kingdom. With an appearance that combines the cuteness of a plush toy and the curiosity of an explorer, the quokka has gained popularity in recent years due to its perpetual smile and friendly behavior. These small marsupials, belonging to the macropod family, are about the size of a domestic cat and are distinguished by their dense and soft fur that varies between shades of brown and gray. However, their most distinctive feature is the perpetual expression of happiness that seems to adorn their faces, earning them the title of the happiest animal in the world. Despite their affable appearance, quokkas are wild and territorial animals. They primarily feed on herbs, leaves, and stems, and their natural habitat lies in wooded and shrubby areas. They are excellent jumpers and climbers, allowing them to move agilely through dense vegetation in search of food. Number 8. Narwhal. The narwhal, a mythical creature of the Arctic seas, is a true wonder of nature. Known for its spiral tusk that can reach up to 3 meters in length, this marine mammal resembles a creature drawn from Norse legends. It inhabits the cold waters of the Arctic, where its long and pointed tusk, actually a modified canine tooth, protrudes from its upper jaw. This distinctive feature has earned it the nickname unicorn of the sea. Although both males and females can have this tusk, it is more pronounced in males, reaching impressive sizes. The narwhal, which can measure up to 5 meters in length, spends much of its life submerged in icy depths, where it feeds primarily on fish, squid, and crustaceans. Its tusk, initially a mystery to scientists, has sparked theories about its function, from a sensory organ to a hunting tool or even a form of sexual attraction. Number 7. Scaly anteater. The scaly anteater, a master in the art of camouflage, dazzles with its ability to blend into its jungle environment. This curious mammal, uniquely adorned with its pointed scales, dwells in the tropical forests of South America, where it moves with a grace that defies human perception. Its body is perfectly adapted to vanish among the dense vegetation. Its rough scales resemble tree bark or dry leaves covering the forest floor. This natural armor not only protects it from predators but also turns it into a specter amidst the undergrowth. With a long, sticky tongue, the scaly anteater delights in the feast of termites and ants inhabiting rotten logs and ground anthills. Its keen sense of smell guides it to its favorite delicacy, while its sharp claws allow it to precisely unearth its prey. Number 6. Okapi. The okapi, a living wonder hidden in the depths of the African jungle, is a herbivorous mammal that often goes unnoticed. With its appearance blending elements of a giraffe and a zebra, this herbivorous mammal is a true rarity that captivates those lucky enough to come across it. Its dark brown coat, adorned with white stripes on its legs reminiscent of zebras, offers perfect camouflage among the dense foliage of the Congo jungle. However, its most distinctive feature is its long and slender neck, like that of a giraffe, albeit on a much more modest scale. Despite its exotic appearance, what is most astounding about the okapi is its discreet and cautious lifestyle. It tends to be solitary, preferring the most hidden corners of the jungle, where it feeds mainly on leaves, shoots, and fruits it reaches with its prehensile tongue, similar to that of a giraffe. Number 5. Leafy sea dragon. The leafy sea dragon is one of the most extraordinary marine creatures inhabiting the depths of the oceans. Its almost ethereal appearance resembles a floating leaf, with its body adorned by leaf-like extensions that perfectly camouflage it among seaweed. These tiny dragons, reaching just about 35 centimeters in length, possess a unique beauty and adaptation to survive in their habitat. Its camouflaging ability is so exceptional that even among sea dragons, a species already expert in the art of mimicry, the leafy sea dragon stands out. Its green or brown hues mimic the floating leaves and algae in which it dwells, giving it invaluable protection against predators. Its mode of movement is almost hypnotic. It glides with unique grace, moving delicately among the marine currents. But its fascination goes beyond its appearance. Its method of reproduction is exceptional. The male is the one that incubates the eggs, something rare in the animal kingdom. After the female deposits the eggs in a kind of pouch on the male's abdomen, he carries them for weeks until they hatch, releasing the offspring. Number 4. Tarsier. The tarsier, a tiny nocturnal primate, is one of the most enigmatic inhabitants of the tropical forests of Southeast Asia. This diminutive being, with enormous eyes and delicate limbs, barely reaches 9 to 14 centimeters in height and weighs less than 30 grams, making it one of the smallest primates in the world. Its name, tarsier, derives from its long carpal bones that resemble the tarsal bones in its wrist. But what truly astonishes about the tarsier is its large eyes, with exceptional vision that allows it to see in low light conditions. Its huge pupils capture even the faintest light, granting it exceptional night vision. This small primate is a master of camouflage and stealth. Its fur, varying in shades of gray and brown, allows it to blend into the environment, while its ability to remain motionless for long periods makes it an expert in the art of going unnoticed by predators and prey alike. Number 3. Dumbo octopus. The Dumbo octopus is a true marvel in the oceans, a creature that seems to have been created by the most eccentric imagination. With its extravagant and peculiar appearance, this deep-sea fish arouses the curiosity and wonder of those fortunate enough to discover it. Its name, Dumbo octopus, accurately reflects its appearance. This animal seems to have been designed by an abstract painter. Its gelatinous and almost transparent body is dotted with dark spots and bright lights that seem to merge into a pattern that defies any visual logic. Nature has endowed the Dumbo octopus with a truly exceptional camouflage method. Its unique physical characteristics allow it to adapt to the marine environment in a surprising way, making it virtually invisible to both predators and prey. Its movements are graceful, almost ethereal, as if floating in an underwater dream realm. Number 2. Axolotl. The axolotl, also known as the water monster or ajolote, is a true wonder in the animal world. Originating from the lakes of Xochimilco in Mexico, this amphibian has captivated the attention of scientists and nature enthusiasts alike for its peculiar appearance and unique characteristics. This small creature, seemingly taken from a fairy tale, stands out for its outstanding regenerative capacity. It can regenerate lost limbs, parts of the brain, and even internal organs. This remarkable ability makes it a valuable subject for scientific research, exploring the possibilities of regeneration and its potential impact on regenerative medicine. Its appearance is striking, with external gills resembling undulating feathers and an almost alien-like appearance. The axolotl has captured the imagination of artists, writers, and biologists alike. Its small, expressive eyes and delicate movements in the water make it a charming creature. Number 1. Aye-aye. The aye-aye, a wonder of nature, is a nocturnal primate that glides through the tropical forests of Madagascar with a unique peculiarity. Its long and slender fingers are an incredibly specialized tool. This strange animal uses its elongated middle finger to find larvae in the bark of trees, rapidly tapping to listen for the echo that indicates where they are. This method, called echolocation, is similar to how bats find their food. With huge ears that seem like antennas tuned to the slightest sound, the aye-aye is a master of adaptation. Its rough and dark fur camouflages it among the shadows of the night, while its bright eyes capture the moonlight to provide exceptional night vision. Its agile and silent movements among the branches are as unusual as they are fascinating. Unfortunately, its uniqueness has led to myths and superstitions in Madagascar, and many locals consider the aye-aye a bad omen, resulting in its hunting and death. However, it is crucial to highlight its vital role in the ecosystem, as it feeds on insects and plays a part in seed dispersal.